Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing Mariah, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you my I'm running late makeup look for when I'm always running late. So let's get into this video. So the first thing I like to do is go in with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I start with the primer first, just like the primer, like marinate into my skin and like seep in and do the job of the primer. So I always do my eyebrows first before foundation. So by the time my eyebrows are done, it'll be time to, prep set. It's already done, done its job. Let's put it in with my hands. A lot of people say you have to use your hands because it opens your pores, but at this point, I don't give a damn. I'm not going to go my way to waste a sponge and blah, blah, blah. Look at that. Look at her. Just hurry up. Hurry up, sis. You're running late. What are you doing? But next, let's go into the eyebrows. So for my eyebrow, let's use the eyebrow gel by NYX. The reason why I love using this product is because it's very easy to put on. Like with my pomade, I feel like I have to be more careful and light-handed. With this, I can be as heavy-handed as I want to, and I'll still get the same result. So it's really easy gel to put on, and it doesn't smudge. That's what I love about this product. It does not smudge. Once you put it on, it stays in place. So if you haven't got hip to the NYX brow gel, get into it because that's one of the first products I ever used on my eyebrows was this pomade. I actually just picked it back up this past weekend when I went to the mall. I just saw it. I was like, I know, I kind of want to use this again, so I bought it. So here we are. So next we have to go in and clean up the eyebrow. So with that, I'm using my Born This Way concealer. I love the concealer so much. I use it to clean my eyebrows, to highlight, all that fun stuff. So definitely if you haven't gotten into the Born This Way collection, not only because it's from Jackie, and she helped them out and expand the collection, I think that it's actually a really great product and it does this job. So at this point, this is what you want to use the concealer to clean up any messes or harsh lines you made with your eyebrows at first. Use this part to shape it. So when you're filling your eyebrows, you're just filling it in. The concealer is what you go in and make those shadows, and you go in and clean up the eyebrow. Don't ever use the pomade to draw a fake eyebrow. You don't want to look crazy, ladies. Fill in the eyebrow the way it is, and then use the concealer to make the shape that you want and your desired shape. And make sure you blend, because you don't want that harsh shadow on your eyes when you put on your foundation. So make sure you're blending that in. Go ahead, girl. Blend. Do what you do. Hey. So for whenever I'm in a rush, I never do eyeshadow look. So I was going with the transition shade. Right now I'm going with Ginger from the Anastasia Jackie Hanna palette. And just use that to go over the concealer of my eyelids. Just make some definition and some just define my eyelid and to make sure it doesn't look like a straight concealer. So I just go with that. It's really fast. Something simple. And you don't have to be too precise with this part. Now I'm going to my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundations. My favorite foundation ever. I'm in the 400. I'm in the 400. My shade is 445. The reason why I love this foundation is because I love a dewy look, even though I have oily combination skin. I don't like a matte look. But this foundation, this foundation line, they actually made more shades. So I actually found the perfect shade for me. Like this shade right now in the winter is my shade. With the first foundation for Fenty Beauty, I didn't like because it was too drying and it would oxidize, so you wouldn't even know what your true color is till you got home and you're like, fuck. But with this one, it was really easy to me to find my color, and I think that it's the perfect color for me. Legit blends perfectly. And you don't need too much of this product. A little bit goes a long way, so I did a pump and a half. Make sure you get that forehead, that 5 head if you like me. And it's blend. Alright, anyways, back to what we're doing. And I have to go back in with my sponge because after I use the brush, I like to go in with the sponge to clean up all the brush lines or the harsh lines that the brush may have done. So boom, pow. Going back in with my Born This Way concealer, I'm going to, highlight. Duh. You think this part was? Definitely going to highlight this product. A little does go a long way also, but make sure when you first take the product out of the tube, a lot of product is on it, so I would recommend you just using whatever's already on the brush thing and not to go in and get more because it does come out a lot. And what you looking for, girl? What are you looking for? Oh, contour time. This is my fish face. I have to go in and contour. I'm using my Pro Girl Concealer in Espresso to contour. I like to do everything at once and put all my cream concealers down at once because it's just easy that way. Might as well. You're already there doing that. So get that in there. And I missed it from Jackie Aina for a minute or so. You're going to let this concealer just sit there and sit in. You can go ahead and fan yourself if you want. But just let that sit for a little bit so it can set to your skin. And yeah, so I'm not sure. You can take as long as you want. I usually took 30 seconds to a minute to get this done. And yeah. And then right before I blend in the concealer, I have to go in with my my Fix Plus spray that I learned from Jackie Ann also, and just set some setting spray on so it can, like, I don't know, I just see her do this and she looks great, so I just copied her. I'm not really sure how it helps or what it does, but you know, Jackie Ann is the queen and she's the queen, so whatever she says basically goes. So yeah, y'all really know what this part is. Make sure you blend, 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 blend. It's probably like, even when I'm running late, I think it's probably the most tedious part of my foundation routine, because I have to make sure I'm blending all the way through. Like, no matter how much I'm in a rush, I have to make sure I blend. Like, end of the day, like, my eyebrows can look crazy because I can put on my bang wig, I can put on a different wig. I can always, you know, finesse a bad eyebrow. But to have harsh shadows and to look like a ghost while going out and to still have conceal my face, that is not it, sis. That is not what we will allow. We would not be shadows today. After I blend, to go on my Laura Mercier setting powder. If those who have watched my channel in the past, you know I usually use the dark one, but I don't know. I really don't know. I just went to the store one day. I saw, you know, let me try this translucent one, and let me let you know, sis. This thing changed my life. Like, I really like the, you know, medium deep one, but no, this one, I don't know, it does it for me. It makes me look so good. Makeup looks so flawless. Everyone was asking me, like, what setting powder do you use? Your makeup looks so good. It's this one. Like, I like Laura Mercier to begin with, but this translucent one, it really does the job. So if you haven't picked this one up, I definitely recommend you. That you won't have no flashback. I haven't had flashback since I've used it. And I always use flash my pictures because I usually go out at night. So usually always use flash. And I don't have flashback. It's really easy. Also, I don't bake a lot. I use a lot of setting powder, but I don't bake. So I let it sit for a little bit, but I don't sit. You know how people bake it for like 10 minutes? No, I just let it sit there for a little bit and just sit there. But now I'm going in with my True Complexions contour palette. I am going to go in with the contour shade. I love this product. It's a product I've used since I started doing makeup 2 years ago. This has always been my makeup kit. I never think it would ever go away. It's just the perfect contour kit, especially for beginners. It makes it so easy. Like, literally tell you on the picture where to put stuff. So I really love this. It's the perfect shade for me for contour. I just love how chiseled it makes me look. It makes me look so damn good. Like, skinny wear. You know? Like, I just like it. So if you don't have this product in your makeup bag, I definitely recommend you getting this because it makes contouring so easy. I like to use that to set my cream contour because whenever you put a cream down, you make sure you put a powder to set it because you don't want it to move. You don't want it to go anywhere. I want to look good all day. Damn, look at this fucking face, y'all. Like, y'all see why I went from that to this? Look at that. But yeah, go on in. I like to go hard contouring. Then you go back with your setting powder and, you know, cut that crease, cut that contour. Make it look really, really snatch, bitch. Like, stiff wear. Stiff wear. But yeah. Actually, this is my favorite part of the makeup look. I love having powder on my face. I don't know. I like how I look with it. A lot of people think it's crazy, but it's probably my favorite part of the whole makeup routine. Look at that. Flawless, bitch. You know you look good. Yup. Category is face. 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 Yes. So next I have to go in with my Omega lashes, of course. It's the only lash that I wear because they're my lashes. But I'm going with About Lash Night. I went and put my lashes off camera because I actually do have a video on how to put lashes on. So you can definitely go watch that if you want to learn. Now it's time to take all the cocaine off your face. I mean the setting powder. You want to make sure you get all that off. Don't leave any powder behind because, sis, you will get flashback. Go ahead. Dust it off. If you like it, then you should. I don't know why that's okay in mine, but yes, take all the powder off your face. Go hard, go ham, go hard or go home because this is crucial. If you don't take the powder off, you're gonna look like white outside. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Like, bitch, what is you doing? You're looking good. I told y'all how to go in with matte contour, so I go back in and fix up my contour a little bit. You know, not too much, a little bit. And last, I'm going to go in and set your face. I use my Max Fix Plus spray because, bitch, that is the way to go. My makeup goes nowhere. Next, we're going in with my ColourPop Ultra Lip Gloss in the shade Here's to You. I love this lip gloss so damn much. I picked it up last weekend going Christmas shopping and, you know, had to spoil myself a little bit. And boom, it looks so good. It's not sticky. It legit makes your lips look like it has sparkles on it. And you know, I'm gonna gloss my lips to death because that's who I am. That's what I do. Okay. You need to go in with mascara to make sure you always put mascara on your bottom eyelash, ladies, because it just completes the look. Like, if you have some popping lashes on and you have baby bottom lashes, you look crazy. You look dumb. So always make sure you go back in with some mascara to clean that up and, put the bow on the fucking present, which is you. You are the bag, sis. So go secure it. But yeah, and then that's basically it. Oh, I lied, shine, shine, bling, bling. Have to go with the highlight because you can't leave the house without highlight. I don't care how late you're running. It could be 8:02. Date started at 7 o'clock, girl. Put the highlight on because you want to look good. You want to be shining, 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 yeah, shining, yeah. But yeah, let's go with I used the highlighter today from the Black Radiance contour kit. It comes with the contour, a sculpt, and a highlight. So let's go with the highlight because it's very subtle, very, it's not too loud, but it's loud enough. They know you're here, you arrived. So it's perfect for, like, everyday, no makeup look. But yeah, that's basically the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Oh, I lied. See, I'd be lying. So, because I have no eyeshadow on, I was going with a little bit of, sparkly shadow from my inner corner because, bitch, you don't want to look boring. I don't see you in a rush, but, like, put some bling on so you can be out. So I went in with Soleil. No, I went with Wigglese. I went with Wigglese from the Anastasia Jackie Aina palette. Just, my hair's red. I want to put some pop right in my eye. I just wanted to, be a little extra because, it's blessing Mariah. But thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoy this video. I love you all and see you in my next video. Peace. Boom. Bye. Hey, bye. Forgot this one. Bye.